So this is the without MD Counsel version of the form. It looks very much the same, but the process is not.
Okay, and again, this is when the provider did not provide counseling either in an office visit, but it's typically always going to be without in a nurse visit for kids.
Yes.
And then for adults, it's always without.
Right.
Okay.
So in the with MD Counsel, you clicked one of these buttons for every vaccine that you gave, right? In this case, you're only going to click on one.
Okay, so just like you said before, just follow the instructions. So enter primary injection.
Yeah. And don't get too confused over this primary and additional. It doesn't really matter.
Okay,
you
just
can
pick one.
Pick one. The first one you gave, the first one in the note, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just pick one to be the primary and the rest are additional. So that's if you gave more than one injection. So in this case, let's say we gave Pediarix, so we click Pediarix, and then we didn't give any additional injections, so we're going to select no, and then you're done. It's pretty simple. But if we did give additional injections, here comes those check boxes again. Now in this case, you can see they're not grayed out. I can actually go and select. So let's say we gave Pediarix and flu. I would check off, oops, that's the wrong one. I would check off flu.
Okay.
Right? And so then I would do those two things.
What if there's another one? I put it there too?
Yep. So you pick. So if we gave 3 injections, I would pick the third one right there too.
Oh, okay.
Right. So you just pick one for your first, and then the rest go in the check boxes.
Okay.
Then what you want to do is the number of boxes you checked over here, you're going to select that from this side here.
Okay. So that's going to be 2.
Right. Because if we gave 2 additional injections, it's 2.
Okay.
Right. Much easier.
Yeah, this is easier than the other one.
Yeah, very simple. It gets funky when you do with counsel and you have combination vaccines for kids. It's just there's more complicated charges, but that's pretty much it. Okay. Then you're done.
Well, thank you so much. I completely understand how to do this now. It's not as complicated as I thought, but I think it's going to take a little practice before I can really understand.
Oh yeah, and again, it's just follow the instructions on the form, and if you have questions, ask a buddy.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Jared.
You're welcome.